Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to disable the magnifier in Windows. So let's get started with the video. Go to the search bar and search for magnifier. Right click on it and click on Open File Location. It will take you to this page. Again right click on it and then click on Properties. A pop-up window will appear. Here you need to go to the Security section and then click on Edit that you will see here. After that, this window will appear. Now you want to choose the particular account that you don't want to have access to the magnifier. For example, I'm choosing this one. Now under the permission, you need to just click on Deny. On every option that you can click on, just checklist the Deny option here and select everything. After that, you need to click on Apply. Once you have done this, click on Apply. This pop-up window will appear. You need to click on Yes here. After that, just restart your laptop or PC once. This is how you can disable it. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.